Getting very windy here. Now, Typhoon Shadeen isn't supposed to arrive until tomorrow. It's still sitting off the east coast somewhere. They're trying to cut the lights on over there. There they go. My friends from the earlier video have moved the food up under the Maligaya office over there. Clouds look pretty rough. We've been getting a few storms here. Let's try and get the clouds moving across right there. Had some afternoon storms and just typical rainy weather stuff. Burning some brush down the street. I get these guys. There's Oman down there. The whole crew. So you can see the clouds are moving off to the west. A little windy. Check back later. I think we're about to really get a ass kicker of a storm over here. Oh God, that wind feels good though. It's been so hot. Yeah, just hope the power stays on. They can finish their game. I don't know how many games they have today. Usually there's 3 or 4 of them. Whoa! We're fixing to catch it here in a minute. And this is just a... Oh my eyes. Whoa. Beginning of a afternoon thunderstorm. This is not a typhoon, which they say or said is going to miss us, but it keeps moving farther and farther west and less so to the northwest. Here's my buddy down there. Had a trim. Trim's what you call a haircut down here. Over here. $15 in America, it's $1 over here. Alright, I'll cut this one off. And try again in a few minutes. Ooh, it's nice out here. There's Oman again. Alright. As I said before, this is not Diego. Denny Hill, Maligaya, and the Philippines. I'm good. Thanks, Oman. And goodbye from Maligaya for the time being. We'll go back to the basketball game for a second.